Kunal, hi, morning. What's it looking like to you?
Yeah, consolidation, but the bias is positive. In fact, even yesterday on the second half, we saw massive pullback on the index, almost like a 200 to 50 point jump.
Use the word consolidation. Discussing how do you describe the market. So, Kunal, as we said, what is the right word to describe the sideways consolidation or
Range
dull and
bound.
boring? Range bound.
Listless.
Listless,
Dull and boring.
dull and boring.
We thought of time pass. That's the message, right?
Correct.
So, chutti pe jao.
Yeah, I mean, as a trader, you can take a leave if you're an index trader, but I think from a stock specific perspective, I think it's been a brilliant market.
Yeah, it's been a bit-
Because the moves trickled down to so many sectors. It started off with banks, financials, now moved to metals. Yesterday, we saw the PSU stocks making a strong comeback. We saw a few of the real estate names making a very strong comeback yesterday. So I think that move is getting a lot more broader for individual stocks. And the best part which we are looking at is volumes are being observed into these names. It's not that these are low volume breakouts which you're seeing in stocks, because if it's low volume breakout, we ideally don't see a follow through up move. But these are very strong volume breakouts, which typically happens when we saw maybe in 2021-22 kind of a scenario for many individual stocks. So that's the more encouraging part about the market so far, that the move is driven by much higher volumes. Yes, the indices are a bit range bound, but I think that's the nature of the markets. After such a 3,000 point rally in the last 2 months on a cumulative basis, we're just consolidating for the last 2-3 weeks. Maybe another couple of weeks of consolidation, but again, the bias is on the upside.
So, Kunal, let's have your stocks, given that it's all lively.
So yeah, so two buy calls. The first one is Coforge, and after quite some time, the mid-cap IT stocks are making a comeback. So would suggest a buy on Coforge with a near-term target of 9,000. Stop loss could be kept at 8,500. And ICICI Bank, I believe, could now start to make a comeback. Over the last 2-3 weeks, the stock has been a bit more range bound, but 1440, 1430 has been a very good support for ICICI Bank. So would suggest a target of 1,500. Stop loss at 1440.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.